Yo, people, wagwan. I know I look like a hot mop right now, but that's cool. I'm giving away curling irons. I'm giving away curling irons, guys. So guess what? All you gotta do is get 25 persons to subscribe to my YouTube page. Send in the screenshots that you got 25 persons to subscribe, and the curling iron is yours. It's going to the just 3 persons. So the 3 first persons to send in their screenshots will get a curling iron. If you're a male and you want to give your girlfriend something nice, you can get her this curling iron. It doesn't matter. So 25 subscribers and this is yours. I'm giving it to 3 persons. So go ahead and start getting your subs up. Oh, one more thing. If you're a male and you get like 10 subscribers and send proof of 10 of them, you'll get like $1,000 top up credit. But this is just for the first giveaway. Don't overdo it, guys. Don't overdo it. Don't kill me, okay? This is for the first. I'm giving only 3 persons for the first. Love, wanna have fun.